Alright, let's get straight to the point. We're putting 3 top VPNs under the microscope, and we've got just 3 minutes to find the perfect one for your SeniorMatch experience. Let's dive in. First, what do NordVPN, PIA, and IPVanish all get right for SeniorMatch? They've got the essentials locked down. We're talking military-grade encryption, so your private info stays safe from snoopers. They all include a kill switch, which instantly cuts your internet if the VPN fails, so your location and data never get exposed while you're chatting or browsing SeniorMatch. And they've all had their no-logs policies verified, meaning they don't track what you do on the site. But the places where they differ, that's what really matters for keeping your online dating safe and smooth. Let's break it down. NordVPN is the best VPN for SeniorMatch because of its speed and features. It uses a huge network of RAM-only servers, which means your data is wiped clean with every reboot, a major plus for privacy. Another great feature is threat protection. It blocks ads and malicious sites that could be loaded with scam profiles or fake messages, even when the VPN is off. It also has a cool tool called MeshNet, letting you connect with friends or family for a super secure custom sharing network. The one small negative? A limit of 10 devices at a time. Now that device limit is a non-issue with both private internet access and IPVanish. They give you unlimited simultaneous connections, so you can protect your phone, tablet, and laptop all at once. But PIA's biggest strength is its radical transparency. It's the only one here with fully open source software, so any tech-savvy SeniorMatch user can check their code for backdoors. And here's the clincher. Their no-logs claim has been challenged in court and held up. That's more than a promise, it's been put to the test. Then we have IPVanish, the totally independent operator. Its special sauce? It owns and operates its entire server infrastructure. No middlemen, they have full control over all their equipment, which means a more stable connection for you. And for SeniorMatch users worried about slow connections or dropouts, it offers a SOCKS 5 proxy option that can help speed things up by lowering ping and latency. Just keep in mind you're trading off a bit of encryption for that boost. Okay, ready for the big question. Which one is fastest for SeniorMatch? NordVPN is the clear winner in raw speed, powered by its custom NordLynx technology. This means quicker loading profiles and smoother video chats. IPVanish is a very close second, delivering impressive and steady ping times using the WireGuard protocol. Private internet access is a bit less predictable. It can be quick, but our tests found its performance can vary, with ping spikes depending on the server you pick. So, which VPN should you choose? Here's a simple guide. Choose NordVPN if fast, seamless browsing and chatting on SeniorMatch is your top priority, or if you want the best all-around VPN with the most features. Go with IPVanish if you have a ton of gadgets or a whole household using SeniorMatch. Its unlimited connections and self-run servers offer incredible value. And finally, pick PIA if you're on a budget or a privacy-focused SeniorMatch user who needs evidence to back up claims. Its open-source apps and proven no-logs record are truly unique. And that's it. We're all out of time. So if you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments which VPN you're running with SeniorMatch. See you soon.